Each country and culture has its own boogeyman, and ours is no different. My partner Catherine comes from the Dominican Republic, where in her culture the creature is known as El Cuco. Similarly, in Bosnia we have a creature which is known as Babaroga. Babaroga is usually old, bent, and ugly, which is often mixed with a witch. Babaroga lives in dark rooms and only goes out at night. Babaroga's horn only grows in puberty, but she is toothless from birth. Babaroga should not be confused with witches and various other hags from folk belief, such as Baba Yaga. Babaroga may either snatch her victim and put them in a bag, dragging them from her cave to be devoured, or she can reach out and snatch the child through the cracks in the ceiling. Regardless of how this terrible witch commits her deed, the outcome is almost always seen as a grisly demise for her victim. Cuco is the Spanish language equivalent of the boogeyman. The Cuco myth is used to get children to behave and go to sleep. El Cuco has been terrifying children since the island was colonized. He has since been adapted in the Western Hemisphere. Here, no one really knows what Cuco looks like. Each parent molds his image to suit their needs. The myth goes that he lives under your bed, in your closet, or in the darkest corner of your room, and he will come and get you if you misbehave. In the Dominican Republic, parents even go as far as to say that El Cuco roams the streets and alleys looking for kids to take away in his sack. He can take the form of a hobo or homeless man, and parents and grandparents alike tell the children that if they do not go to sleep fast, that El Cuco will come and take them. Even worse, if they are out roaming the streets unsupervised, El Cuco will stuff them in a sack and take them away. Folklores are told in hopes of getting children to behave. Not just our cultures, but many cultures use fear to control kids. Parents, teachers, and friends all inject a bit of fear to keep kids safe. For example, don't go into the woods at night or the boogeyman will get you.